Hi everyone and welcome. My name is Ashwini and today I am excited to introduce Adaptive Learning Coach to you, a multiple agent personalized tutoring system built for the Google 5D AI Agents intensive course with Kaggle. Millions of students struggle with online learning because most digital education platforms are one size fits all. They deliver the same lessons, the same exercises, the same pace to every learner, whether the student already understands the topic or is completely lost. As a result, learners often get stuck, lose confidence, and drop out. So, I wanted to build something smarter, something that adapts as you learn. To solve this, I built Adaptive Learning Coach, an AI tutor powered by multiple agents working together. Agents are perfect for this because learning is not just one task, it's a cycle. You assess what the student knows, you teach what they need, you test their understanding, you give feedback to their mistakes. Each of these is a separate responsibility. So each stage is handled by a dedicated agent. Here's the architecture that powers the learning loop. First one is assessment agent, which diagnoses the student's current skill level. Second one is lesson agent, which generates a personalized micro lesson. Third one is quiz agent, which creates and grades practice questions. And the last one is feedback agent, which explains mistakes step by step. And a long term memory system tracks mastery so each new lesson adapts to progress. This creates a fully autonomous closed loop learning system. Let's take a quick look of the project. First, the student takes a short assessment, then, the system instantly generates a personalized lesson. Then, a quiz is generated, which tests the understanding of the student. Then, the student receives detailed feedback with step by step reasoning. And the learning loop repeats automatically until mastery is achieved. This project uses Python and Streamlit for the user interface, SymPy for math reasoning, OpenTelemetry for logging and tracing, SQLite Memory Bank for skill tracking and personalization, and a multiple agent architecture to coordinate the full learning pipeline. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration. If you like to explore the code or try the app, everything is available in my Kaggle and GitHub submission.